video is going to give you a general overview of the multiple listing service. To do so, we first go to daor.com, or some people like to just go to crmls.com. I prefer to go to daor.com, and right now I'm going to show you some of the benefits and some of the sites on the page. So at daor.com, on the home page, it gives you some nice notices, how to do certain things, upcoming events, that sort of thing. You go to member login, and under MLS login comes up. And once you're here on this page, before you go to the MLS, I wanted to show you a couple interesting things you can take a look at. Right from here, you can do a CMA under Cloud CMA. They also have something called InfoSparks. If you want to get market information, price trends over time, different cities, condos versus single-family residences, anything you like. How long days on market of properties was 5 years ago versus today. You can find that at InfoSparks. Lion's Desk is a CRM, and it's free as of now. It's 2020. Yes, I'm dating it. MLS Touch, which we have on our phone, you can see here. And it's lots of different things. Finally, we have something called Glide. So you can do your TDS or your Avid right from your phone. Your client can do the TDS and you can do the Avid right from your phone. So Glide is right here for you. Again, you can access that right on your cell phone as well. Let's just go ahead and take a look at the MLS. You click on the CRMLS Matrix button, and it opens up. And on this home page, I want to show you a few things. You have your news and alerts, things you should look for. If you are working with different buyers or have different searches, you can find that under the recent portal visitors. You can look at your listings under My Listings. And finally, you can do an amazing quick search right here using this search bar. At the top, let's take a look at a few of the buttons. You have the search button, and under search, you can look at residential, residential income, residential lease, land, manufactured, commercial, or all the properties in one search. You can also get public records right from here. Within My Matrix, you can look at things related to your listings, your searches, your sent email, things like that. You can find that here. Add Edit is how you either edit a listing or you add a listing altogether. As I mentioned, I prefer to do it under My Matrix and then under My Listings. But if it's a brand new listing, go ahead and hit Add Edit. Finance. On another episode, I'm going to show you how to do a seller's net sheet. Under Roster, if you want to look up an agent that you're looking for, if you want to look up the office code, you can go here. Stats is a good one. You can see the median home price, how many homes are on the market, different things like that. Realist is here, which is the public tax records. And then we have other links. When we click on other links, you can see you can go to different MLSs. You can go to Claw, which is in the Beverly Hills area. If you want to look at properties in Hawaii, the Honolulu Board of Realtors, you can look at their MLS, and so on. Let's start though by doing a search. You go to the search button, and we're just going to look at single-family residences or condos. So to do so, we're going to look at residential, and you have different types. You can look at detail, a really quick search. You can look up a particular listing ID, the address, and other things. We're going to look at detail. All right, so we're going to do a quick and easy search. How do you do that? So you always need to have a status, so let's start with active. Let's look up houses. Let's look up in the city of Downey. And we're going to look up price. So let's say we're looking up to $600,000. And I want to look less than that. You have a couple ways you can do that. You can either do 600,000 minus, or you can do 0 to 600,000. Or if you want to stay like between 500 and 600,000, you can do 500,000 to 600,000. Whatever is easier for you. In this particular case, I'm going to look at 600,000 and under. I'm looking for a 2-bedroom home or more, so I'm going to do 2 plus. And let's see what we got. So believe it or not, we only have 3 listings today in the MLS. That is house, active, in Downey, 2 bedrooms or more, and under 600,000. So take a look at it. You hit results. And there they are. If you want to take a look at each one, you can click on the MLS ID, and that's a hyperlink that takes you to the listing itself. Once you're here, you can click on the picture, and the whole first picture shows up, really nice and big, and you can rotate through them like that. Or you can go down here and press that, and all the homes come up. Again, when that happened, another screen came up altogether. Okay, what else can you see on this? You can press the parcel number to see the tax records for this particular property. I'll show you how to do that. There you go. It's got lots of good information. And I go back, you can see again the price, all the information, and you can also see a map. As you scroll down, you can see the agent's information, how to show it, and so on. If we hit the Agent One line display, we go back to the original. Now, let's say you want to email it to yourself. Let's say you want to pick this one and that last one, the third one. You can click email, and you can send it to anybody that you want, like so. Like that. You can copy yourself, and you can hit send. It's easy as that. So we're on the results, but let's take a quick look at another way to see the listings. You can look at it on the map. And on the map, I've got it in satellite version. I'm going to go back to the map, it's a little easier. And so you can see that I checked these off. But if I want to preview it, I just click on the house, and there we go. Just like that. This concludes the basics on a home search.